Welcome back. Punjab defeated Goa in the ongoing National Baseball Championship at Fatorda on Wednesday. The defeat means Goan men will have to beat Assam to make it to the knockout phase. This is the 29th edition of National Baseball Championship and is being hosted by Goa Baseball Association.
Last strike. Good. Pass now.
आज का गेम में बहुत अच्छा मज़ा रहा। हम मैच जीते और हमारी टीम ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया। इस गेम में ऐसा है कि जो अच्छा खेलता है इसका दिन होता है वो जीतता है।
मी आता पंजाबरोबर लीग मॅच खेळ्ळे एक स्कोर जालो 10-4 सगळे जाण बरे खेळ्ळे पूण पंजाब आमच्याकडे मातशे बरे खेळ्ळे म्हणून ते जिखले आता क्वॉलिफाय जावपाक आमकां क्वॉर्टर फायनलीक वचपाक जाय सो आमी नेक्स्ट मॅच आमकां आसामा बरोबर आसा तेन्ना आमी जातले बरे परफॉर्मन्स दिवन क्वॉर्टर्साक क्वॉलिफाय जावपाचे प्रयत्न करतले.
The inaugural Indian Super League pulled pleasantly surprising blockbuster crowds for most matches in Goa. Soon after the ISL was over, the AIFF's Federation Cup was played in familiar surroundings of empty stands at Fatorda. The most important football competition of India, which is the I-League, will take centre stage this weekend. Will the real Goan football fans turn up? This is the question that is leaving the footballing stakeholders sleepless.
This was the cue to get inside Nehru Stadium during a ISL match involving FC Goa. And now look at this. On the final match day of Federation Cup, where Goan giants Dempo SC were taking on defending I-League champions Bengaluru FC. The Nehru Stadium wore a deserted look because of a poor turnout of spectators. But for ISL matches, this stadium was overflowing. If Goans do love football and they proved it by turning out in big numbers for ISL, where did they disappear when Federation Cup was being played here?
And it is a service state of affairs, but it should not happen. For the I-League, I think they should do something about it.
See, there is a difference between ISL and Federation. ISL, what is happened? ISL, there was a lot of marketing. There was a hype.
The I-League is fast approaching, with Sargaonkar Football Club taking on Pune FC in the first match on Saturday. Goan clubs Sargaonkar, Dempo and Sporting Club de Goa have shared the same platform to call upon the real football fans to turn up as I-League faces the unprecedented challenge of survival in the era where ISL seems to have become a disruptive innovation as described by Sargaonkar boss Shivanand Sargaonkar. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.